February 1st, the beginning of the month of love, and my birthday on Valentine's Day. Well, February 1st was a pretty good day so far. Had a good day at school, and you see, the problem is all of this out here. Oh gosh. Oh jeez. The door. Yeah, you seeing that? That's no good. Jeez, there is no steps anymore. This is just a big bunch of white stuff is what this is. Oh jeez, I don't even know if I want to go out there. It's cold, it's windy, it's snowing. The snow's coming in and hitting the side of my face. It's really uncomfortable. So you know what? I'm just gonna go back inside now. So, oh gosh, look at that. It's like a flood, but it's almost coming in our house. And I just tracked half of it in with me. But I wore my old shoes, because I'm smart. Alright. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And, this is an unexpected part 2 to my Blizzard series. And part 3 will be up tomorrow morning. And I'll go outside when it's daytime and walk around and look at all the snow. So, yeah. Alright, have a good day. Bye.